Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to claim your 6 free months for Google AI Pro on Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So, if you just bought your Pixel 11 Pro XL, you are eligible for 6 free months on for the Google AI Pro. So in order to check it, you need to open up the Google One app. If you don't have it, because I didn't, you just have to open up Play Store, go to search, and go to Google One. Now you want to install this app right here. This is the logo. And after that, just click on open. As you guys can see, we're going to load into the app. And here, after you open it, you will see get high access to Google AI and 5 terabytes of storage with Google AI Pro. And with your Pixel 11 Pro, you get 6 months at $0. Then you will pay $20 after. You can cancel anytime. And if you click skip here and click yes, skip trial, then you can still find it in those 3 dots. Go to settings. And from here, you guys can click check for offers in your membership plan section. So you will also see it. And that's how you guys can do it. So, and that's how you guys can claim it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.